So next question is, you're asked to solve minus x square plus 3x plus 4 is less than 0. So here, as you can see, the leading coefficient is negative. So first what I do is, as a general process, I'll try to make this leading coefficient as positive. So what I do is, I'll multiply the whole equation with a negative sign. So I get x square minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0, right? Because if I multiply both sides with a minus 1, so the sign of inequality reverses. So x square minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0. So this looks like a quadratic greater than 0. So x lies outside the roots. So first I need to solve the equation. So x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 implies x minus 4 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 or 4. X equal to minus 1 or 4. These are the two answers. So what is the solution to this inequation? X lies outside the roots. So if you take the real line, minus 1 and 4. So x lies outside the roots. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 open union 4 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1 open because there is no equality here, and 4 to infinity. So you can also do this using the wavy curve method, which you have already learned. If you draw the wavy curve for this, so you have x plus 1 times x minus 4 is greater than 0. So what is the wavy curve for this? The wavy curve looks like this: positive, negative and positive. So I want the expression to be positive, that is this two intervals. So minus infinity to minus 1 union 4 to infinity. Thank you.